Hi everyone. I want to share something with you I found on Amazon. These are called flameless tea lights. Look at that. They are actually remote controlled, and I have been looking for something like this for years. Watch my little houses. All I do is flick the button on, and it's like magic. Look at that. I love this. No danger of fires, completely safe, beautiful. I can set the timer for 2 hours or 6 hours or just to keep it right on. Love it. Check out Amazon for specials like this. These were like a pretty good deal this week. Anyways, thanks for watching.